Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro truly wireless noise cancelling earbuds. I have had a very tough time getting these here in Canada. Like, they're just simply not available. And I'm a huge fan of Soundcore. I reviewed a ton of their products. I really like their budget-friendly performance. Like, they perform very well for their budget pricing for a majority of the products that I reviewed. So getting these was not easy. In fact, I think this came from China, if I had to guess. My particular units, they're legit, they're real. But that was the only way for me to get it imported. It just, I don't know. I couldn't get it imported from the United States either. It's like Soundcore just because kind of like, nah, we'll leave Canada to the side. So that's that. Anyway, so that's a little background in case you see a lot of foreign writing in my box and stuff. That's why I'm being very transparent. Okay, so this is pretty cool. I had no idea how to open the case, and it's just a slider up. Because whenever I do an unboxing, I like to experience like a consumer, as if I don't know anything about this. And the earbuds themselves have a nice grippy material. Like, they're not gonna be the type to slip out of your hands. You take them out of the case. Very lightweight. But I'm loving this snap-on design, as well as the LED indicator for battery performance of each earbud charge. Okay, so pretty cool. So continue on. Here's the documentation. See, and you can see there's hardly anything in English here, so I have no idea what is written. Not that I usually care for documentation. I'm the type of person that just goes to the website and reads stuff there. I honestly think this is a waste of paper. It's not good in the environment. They should always just include a link to where the online guide is, or include it in the app, as most manufacturers do. So we'll figure that out after. No big deal. I have my tough time taking this little paper flap out. I just literally cannot get it out. There we go. Okay, so this looks like to be the last of the contents of the box. So very important we get to this, right? Okay, here we go. And there's a lot of earbud fittings. Hold on, let me double check something. So there's a set here on the earbuds, and there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fittings. I've never seen that, even for premium-based pricing of earbuds. And here's a USB-A to USB-C cable, but the number of earbud fittings, very shocking to me. Typically, the most I've seen is 4 from Bose and Sony with some of their most expensive products, but very welcomed. And that's it for the unboxing. If you want to see the review, a link to that will be in the video description, as well as links to my website and social media links. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching as I continue playing with the case.